Let's get back to work. So here's the Scooty. Oh, I have to install this not new. This first two fender first. This one goes from here this side. This one goes from the front. As you can see, I've already installed this fog light also. Actually, this one is a bit not so good only. Okay, I'll fit this first, then I'll fit the panels, and I'll show you the results. Here is my Scooty all strip. See, it's like this. And now I'm sanding this part. I'll screw this last part. So, even this one I'll take it out. I'll put the stock one. And then I'll put that headlight, fog light. So I'll clean this up first. Okay, I'll show you next. Look, right now it's so dirty. This so dirty. Okay, I'll clean this up first, then I'll show you the result. And this is how it looks after cleaning. See, I cover my meter because I spray paint this one.
Glass.
Clean. See the reaction. So, okay, I'll show you after we fit the panels. So now I'll install this indicator. I'll keep it inside. Actually, as you can see, I've already opened this one, and then I'll fit this fog light also. So okay, I'll show you after I'm done. So oh yeah, this flex quick. This one. Little, I'll not use much. Then I'll seal it over there on the tip. Okay, hope you got the idea. Then I'll show you next. Now both sides is done. Now I'll fit it. So before fitting it, you need to clean up this glue first. Actually, I've already cleaned like most of it. You need to heat it first in order to clean it up. So okay, I'll clean it up first, then I'll fix it, then I'll show you afterwards. So I've got most of it out. So in order to stick it up, I'll use this one, this high temp RTV silicone. You can get it from any shop, hardware shop. This one I bought it for 90 rupees. Yeah, 90 rupees. This one now. So okay, I'll seal it up first, then I'll show you afterwards. So here it is. I've applied all the sides. So now it's time to fit it. So I'll just tie it with a rope and then use a cloth or something. So I'll leave it for 24 hours. You have to leave it. No, not fully clear. So okay, let's wait and then we'll get back to another work. I've tied it up like this, see. So okay, let's leave it overnight, then I'll get back to the fog light. So for the fog light, I'll be drilling one hole here, and one here, one here, and one here. So okay, I'll show you. Oh, good afternoon guys. Now it's like 1:40. I just woke up, had my breakfast. I just had a really bad headache this morning, man. So I'll go and fit my panels and all. I've already done with the prepping and all. The lights and all also I've already fitted yesterday night. So here are the panels. I've already washed, and then some of them I spray painted again. So okay, I'll show you when I start fitting it. So okay, let's take out the Scooty now. Here is the Scooty. Actually I covered that one, and then I don't know what happened here. I think maybe the wind blew the cover. So here's my Scooty. Those fog light I need to fit it later. So the front wheel also I'll take it off later. Just check the full video if you want to know like how to take out the front wheel. And then for the Scooty also I'll service it, full service. Actually I already checked the throttle body, it's still clean. Injector also I've already cleaned it yesterday. Actually I didn't get a chance to take a video like yesterday. So okay, maybe in the next video I'll show you how to change the engine oil, the gear oil and all. Okay, so okay, let's get back to work. So here's the Scooty. Oh, I have to install this this first two fender first. This one goes from here this side, this one goes from the front. As you can see, I've already installed this fog light also, and goes like this, and one will go here. Okay, so okay, let's get back to work. It's time to fit this one. Secondly, I'm gonna fit these panels. This one is the underbelly, and then this one is the mud guard. So I'll fix the underbelly first. So next thing, I'm gonna install this fan cover, this side underbelly, and then the exhaust cover. Before I fit this one, I need to do some wiring first now for the fog light. So okay, I'll do some wiring first, then I'll show you afterward how I fit it. I've already finished up setting up the wires. So this is one switch, this is the another. It goes from here, and then it goes down there, and then see the lights are here, two from each side. And now it's time to open up the headlights. The brake light. We'll see how it looks. See, the signals are intact, just like I wanted. Oh, actually this one is a bit not so good only. Okay, I'll fit this first, then I'll fit the panels, then I'll show you the results. So this is how you fit the brake light. Just keep it in the back panel, and then just screw it like this. Actually this one is my mud guard. So okay, I'll screw it first, then I'll show you what I'm done. There, finally all done. Look at that. Here, new fog light. And then in the next video I'll be showing you how to take out this front wheel. Actually I'll be changing this mud guard in the next video. So okay, so this is not the final reveal now. Actually I need to put some tail tidy, tail tidy, and then I'll put some stickers and all. So hope you stay subscribed. So okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, peace.